Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo, and if you need to test AC clutch, AC compressor clutch, this is the air conditioner clutch. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. If your air conditioner blows hot, warm air instead of cold air, it could be a bad clutch. This is quite common on older vehicles, so stay with us, we'll explain how to test it without removing anything, without taking anything apart. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's explain how you can easily do that now, how you can test AC clutch without any problems. On some Fiats, Alfa Romeos, guys, the engines are actually a little bit complicated. You may have quite a few things and it could be not so visible, but the AC compressor, it's all the way on the back. We even had to remove the air filter box assembly so you can actually just see part of it. So if you guys want to test the clutch, you can do it without taking anything apart. We have the camera here that shows us that this is the pulley, the AC compressor belt pulley, and the clutch is on the front part right here, and it will close and open if it works correctly. So let's explain how we can test it now without removing anything. Super simple, by the way. So okay, let me fix myself here because I caught something. Okay, and I cannot go with the camera. Perfect. So I'm going to come inside the vehicle now. The tool that we'll be using, it's this tool. It's called Think Car, guys. It works on any car. This is like a dealer level equipment in your pocket. It can pay itself off just in one-time use. You can access every computer system in your car, not just Fiat and Alfa Romeo. You can read codes, see what's wrong, see live data, clear codes, do actuation tests, and even programming in some cases. So amazing tool. Just plug it into your OBD port, turn the ignition switch on. Now, what we'll be using here, okay, we'll click all system diagnostics. We'll select VIN number. It's going to decode the VIN number, tell us exactly which vehicle we have, which car we have. Pretty simple. So that's what we're working on now. 2015 Fiat 500. Goes usually make, model, year to Fiat 500 2015. Yes, here we have different options. You can select system selection. Here you're going to go to powertrain control module, or you may have an air conditioner HVAC air conditioning module. Depending on how complicated your car is, you may access it through there. I'll go through, usually it's PCM or the HVAC, one of the two, if you're using the English names. So here we select yes. Now we're going to go to actuation tests, and here we'll select AC relay. We can turn the AC clutch on and off automatically. Okay, and what will happen now, okay, I want to show you everything's wireless. The scanner still works, so that's practically amazing. And now we come right here. Okay, let's just hold the phone here close. The AC clutch, okay, let's just move it a little bit to where the clutch is more visible. Okay, perfect. I will click on. The moment I click on, you will see that clutch close to the pulley and activated. Listen now, you hear an audible click that you cannot miss. Now I will turn it off. On. And you can see the clutch is working. Let's get a little bit closer. Can you get closer to the clutch? Okay, perfect. Check this thing out now. That's a good working clutch, guys. So the clutch is not the problem. We have a video that explains the top 5 why air conditioner doesn't work on Fiat or Alfa Romeo. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.